It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 18th of May. I'm James Spann. Most of the state will be dry tomorrow, but rain, yes, likely on Friday, maybe a few strong storms as well. There's the water vapor satellite view. Got a trough in the southwest United States. When that thing lifts out, we'll see that better chance of rain on Friday. But today, as expected, hardly anything out there. That was the radar at 2:35. Nothing more than small, tiny, isolated showers. Those fade away this evening, and most everybody will be dry tomorrow. Temperatures mostly in the 70s, again below average. We should be in the low 80s this time of the year. Birmingham 77. We'll expect low 80s tomorrow. That's the visible satellite view, a mixture of clouds and sunshine across the state today. Up on the watch warning map, a very quiet May afternoon so far. We note some freeze and frost warnings for parts of Wisconsin and Michigan for tonight. That's the convective outlook, a slight risk of severe weather near El Paso, Texas, a marginal risk around the Rio Grande, also a marginal risk for South Florida, but that's about it. Tomorrow, the standard slight risk for parts of the Texas coastal plain, including Corpus Christi and Houston, over to Lake Charles, Louisiana. And on day 3, which is Friday, a marginal risk for parts of the Gulf Coast states. In Alabama, that marginal risk is basically for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, and points south. The area is in darker green. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. Look at the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning. The bulk of this will be Friday. And this is suggesting rain amounts around 1 inch, maybe 2 inches in spots. Here's a check of the NAM, the 12Z run, valid through late Friday night, showing about 1 inch for most of the state. So I'd say most everybody can expect about 1 inch of rain during the day Friday and maybe Friday night. So here we go, model fans, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. You can see the trough lifting out of the southwest. Down below that, the bulk of the rain west of the state over Texas and Oklahoma. That's the high-res NAM, valid tomorrow at 4 o'clock, basically showing nothing. And we've taken out any chance of rain, just a partly sunny day with low 80s. But on Friday, as the trough lifts out, here comes the rain. Not going to rain all day long, but it should rain a pretty good chunk of the day. This is the high-res NAM, showing some stronger storms maybe around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Instability values, highest south of Interstate 20. Spots getting up to 3,500 joules per kilogram there. Shear values a little higher on this run, up in the 50 knot range around here. And accordingly, it's got some higher STP values through parts of the Black Belt over into central Alabama. And again, I think the chance of a tornado is very small. The wind fields are pretty weak. But as always, you have to watch storms anytime in March, April, and May. I'd say the main threat would be from hail and gusty winds if we see stronger storms. And again, rain amounts about 1 inch. Saturday, as the weekend begins, dry air returns. The wave moves on to the east. The sky becoming partly to mostly sunny, the high in the upper 70s. And Sunday should be a beautiful day, mostly sunny with a high around 80. So after the rain on Friday, a beautiful weekend coming up. Monday of next week, sunny and warm with low 80s. And Tuesday, the sky will stay sunny with mid-80s likely. This is a week from today, Wednesday, May 25th. A new trough in the western states, got a flat ridge here. And again, that looks mostly just warm and dry. This is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, May 28th. Big upper low is over Nebraska. Down below that, maybe some severe weather north and west of the state, but if this is right, just warm and humid with no organized rain expected. Temperatures for the next 15 days, looking like late May. Highs mostly in the 80s and lows mostly in the 60s, maybe touching 90 on a day or two. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.